Good morning, students. Welcome, dear students, for today's class. So, today in our English grammar class, we will be learning the lesson genders. So, today we will be learning genders. Before I begin with the topic, I want you all to pay careful attention in this video when I am teaching you. Dear students, I hope you all have taken the English grammar workbook which is given from the school, because many of the students have still not taken the workbook from the school. Please do take the workbook from the school at the earliest, because now I will tell you all to do the exercises in your grammar workbook itself. Clear? Okay. Now let's start with gender. There are how many kinds of gender? 4. How many? 4. There are 4 kinds of genders, and they are as follows. So there are total 4 kinds of genders, and they are as follows. So the first one is masculine gender, second feminine gender, third common gender, and the fourth one is neuter gender. So total there are 4 genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. So today we are going to learn all these 4 kinds of gender, and they are very easy to learn and understand. So let's start with masculine gender. Now what is masculine gender? Nouns which stand for a male person or animal is called masculine gender. So masculine, this word itself talks about a male person. So the nouns which stand for a male person or animal is called masculine gender. So the nouns which come under the category of male, those nouns are said to be as masculine gender. Now, for example, father, brother, lion. So, father is masculine, brother is masculine, and lion is also masculine gender, because they are male person or animal. So father is a male person, brother is a male person, and lion is a male animal. So they come under masculine gender. Clear? Okay. So now we will see the second kind of gender, that is feminine gender. Feminine, this word itself talks about female. So feminine gender, nouns which stand for a female person or animal is called feminine gender. So nouns which stand for a female person or animal is called feminine gender. So dear students, now the nouns which comes under the category of female, that category can be of animals or person which comes under female, that is called feminine gender. When we talk about only female, that is a lady, person or animal, that comes under feminine gender. Remember this. Now here is the example of feminine gender: mother, sister, lioness. So mother, sister and lioness comes under feminine gender. Mother and sister is the female person. Lioness is female animal. Clear? Okay. Next. Now, third kind of gender is common gender. In this gender, both the male and the female comes under this category, common gender. So, common gender. So, nouns that stand for either a male or a female is called common gender. So, the nouns that stand for either a male person or a female person is called common gender, which means this common gender is a combination of both male and female. Understood? So, nouns that stand for male or female, or the nouns which come in the category of male and female, combination of male and female together is called common gender. So, here is the example of common gender: teacher, student, doctor. So, teacher, student, doctor, these are the example of common gender. Besides this, there are other examples I can give you in this category of common gender, like pilot, artist, then painter. Understood? People, children. Understood? These nouns, they come under common gender, because when I say teacher, so I am talking about a teacher who can be a female teacher also and male teacher also, right? So under this teacher, okay, male and female both comes under this word noun teacher. They fall in this category. So doctor can be female also and male also. Okay, so doctor is a common gender. Student, when I say student, a student can be a boy or a girl, right? So student, this noun comes under common gender. Clear? Okay, I hope, dear students, you all have understood masculine gender, feminine gender and common gender. Now we will see the last one, fourth one, that is neuter gender. Neuter gender. Neuter gender, nouns that refer to neither a male or a female people or animals, and they refer to things that do not have life, is called neuter gender. Again I read this. Nouns that refer to neither a male person or neither a female person or animal, and they refer to things that do not have life, is called neuter gender. So dear students, in neuter gender, the nouns which are neither a male, the noun which is neither a male or neither a female, but that noun will not also be an animal or bird, that noun will only refer to things that do not have life is called neuter gender. So in other words, in simple words, if I tell you, is that the nouns that refer to things which do not have life, okay, the nouns which come under the category that the things do not have life, which are non-living things, that comes under neuter gender. Understood? So the nouns which are non-living things, that nouns comes under neuter gender. Clear? For example, now see here. Milk, book, pencil. So milk, book and pencil are neither male or nor female or nor animal. They are non-living thing which do not have life. So they are neuter gender. So milk, book, pencil are neuter gender. So beside this, I can give you many examples of this neuter gender, like eraser, notebook, textbook, chair, table, water, tea, juice, bag, pen, ruler, biscuits, chocolates, cake. All this comes under neuter gender because they do not have life. Understood? So dear students, I hope you all have understood 4 kinds of gender, that is common gender, we have learnt today, neuter gender, masculine and feminine gender. So now in your English grammar notebook, you will write down the 4 kinds of genders along with the examples. Clear? So you will write down 4 genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender, along with the definitions and examples in your English grammar notebook. Dear students, many of the students have not submitted their English notebook and English grammar notebook for correction, right? So they have their book, so they can write in that and submit the book as early as possible for correction. And those who have submitted the book for correction, once they get the book back, they can write this in their English grammar notebook. Understood? And the exercises below this topic gender, there are total, if you have the workbook, you will see there are total 6 exercises below this topic gender, right? So you have to do this, all the 6 exercises in your English grammar workbook, the workbook which is given to you from the school. In that only you have to do. Understood? So exercises you will do in the English grammar workbook itself. But the definitions and the examples of gender you will write down in your English grammar notebook once you get the notebook after the correction. Understood? Okay. Dear students, I hope whatever I have told you or explained you, you're clear with it. If you have any doubt or difficulty, you can contact me personally. So, thank you dear students and have a great day.